At the cabinet meeting held today, various discussions were taken up on issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to NEWSPERSONS after the meeting, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA informed that in consultation with the Chief Secretary of the state, R.V. SUCHIANG, preparations are on for an appropriate response to the recent High Court order to stop all recruitment processes of the state government.
A bit more homework and the details have to be added to the whole thing. So we're going to take it up in the next few days again. So we did not conclude it today, and we're still preparing the entire reply to the and the affidavit is being prepared. Because it's a lot of things, there are a lot of issues there. So therefore, obviously, and it's an important issue. So we need to ensure that we do our homework properly. So that we are in the process of doing that. So more information, more details have been collected. It was not there in the last 50 years since the reservation policy was not put up, and we had in fact created a first roster for the PWDs. In fact, it was not there for the physically disabled also, but it was this government that did that in the past, and based on the roster system, now there is a proper chart that is followed in that. And as the court is now directed, that this thing has to be looked into. So we are examining it now, and we are doing our entire homework before we come to the final affidavit reply to the